Hey, are you someone who runs a paid Discord community and wants to increase your conversion rate? Then check out this. You run a paid Discord community and every month new members join your Discord server, but many never engage or leave before understanding the value of your paid community. Now the real problem. In most communities, new members joins and are instantly dropped into dozens of new channels. They get welcome notifications, content and messages are keep appearing on their chat, but many members still have questions and doubts and are confused. Will this paid community even work for me? That's why we built SalesGenie for you. Instead of leaving members to figure out everything themselves, SalesGenie onboards your every new member personally. The moment someone joins your server, it automatically create a private ticket or a thread and start a one-on-one conversation with them. You can see an example here. Now it welcomes them personally, then ask a few simple questions like how did you join, what are you hoping to achieve, what are you currently struggling with. This helps sales you to understand each member individually. You can also see an example here. Then it tries to answer their questions and clear their doubts and naturally introduce your paid membership in a personalized way based on their goal. You can see an example here as well, just like a guided onboarding conversation but fully automated. You can say it's a bot that onboards your every new member one on one and learns why they joined and answers their questions clearly and clear their doubts and guide them toward your paid membership. More than just chatting, SalesGenie does not only onboard and close users, it also collects all user data and sales insights in our built-in dashboard CRM. And we have a really cool and detailed dashboard with accurate information. Other than that, we have also two major key CRM features. One is lead magnet flow. Now, let's say if a user cannot buy with a valid objection, like someone says, "Hey, I don't have a money, so I can't buy right now." After the objection handling, then sales tries to offer them a free resource. For example, "Hey, would you like this free ebook to help you right now?" If user says yes, the bot sends it to their email, and if user says no, then the bot simply end the conversation and opt out. Now here you can see the example. The bot has really tackled the conversation. Now the user said, "Hey, I am just quitting the trading for now and I don't have money to invest on your trading course." Now the bot tackle here. He said, "All good, no worries. I know financial situation is important. Before you go, we have a free resource that can help you to get started in the future." The user said, "Sure, yeah, I can get that free resource." The bot said, "Sure, send me your email and I will send it the free resource on your email." The bot asked his email and sent it on his email. This is how lead magnet system works, and then it saves into a CRM on our dashboard. As you can see here, how many emails we have captured, how many emails got opened, average lead score, all the leads details are saved into our dashboard CRM. Now let's come to the second system, future buyers follow up. Now if a user says they will buy later or follow up me later, SalesGenie save them as a future buyer. On the promised date, it automatically follow. We have given you an example here. The user said, "Hey, I guess the pro trader sound membership sounds perfect for him. I want to improve my consistency, blah blah blah, and I will be ready to join on March 15." The board confirm that date and take a follow-up on the same date. If the users do not purchase, it reopens the ticket to a private thread and continues to follow up and start to sell your paid membership. For example, if someone gives them a date, I can't purchase right now, but I will get my salary on next month, then board saves their date into CRM, and here is a CRM where we collect the next follow-up date. As you can see, Ghost Winter, date 2 March, and the next follow up is on next April. We have also given periodicity tags, lead score. Like we have a lot of things in our system. And in the end, I will just say SalesGenie is not just a chatting bot, it's a one on one onboarding system for paid communities, helping you to guide your every new member in a personalized way without needing you to manually talk to everyone.